Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, tap on the shopping cart icon, which will show you various different bundles that you can purchase. When you come across any item that you are interested in, you can tap on it to reveal the buy button. When you tap on this button, you can enter your age for confirmation, and you will now see the payment method screen. If you have already added any payment method, such as your credit or debit card, you will find this listed along with the add credit or debit card option. If you wish to use your saved payment method, you can simply tap on this existing method. And if you wish to change this, you can tap on the add credit or debit card option to add a new one right away. Then you can simply type in your card number within the card number box and then proceed forward with the expiration date, as well as the security code or CVV number. Finally, you can click on the save button, which will now add this new credit or debit card onto your payment methods. You can simply delete the old one if you wish to do so. And now your payment method on the Toca Boca World game has been changed right away, and you will not even need to make any purchase in order to change this. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment method on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.